Animal cruelty statistics. Animals are often used for the benefits of the humans at the cost of their lives. The problem of animal cruelty is on the rise, eventually leaving them to die. Here are some statistics to give a little idea about the torture that animals face. Animals have been taken for granted and always being used for the benefit and as per the convenience of humans. To make life better, animals are facing great amount of torment. For many years, animals have proved to be an easy target for circuses, poaching, hunting, testing, and fashion purposes. They are used in many fields such as entertainment, research, poaching, hunting. Ill treatment to animals have endangered species and lead to extinction. Life is important to all and the power to end rests with nobody including the humans. Though mankind has conquered and tamed the wildest of animals, they have brought an imbalance to the ecosystem. The issue of animal cruelty exists in all parts of the world and in all sectors of society. The issue of animal cruelty can be better understood with the help of animal abuse facts and statistics. The captivating colors and patterns of animals have always attracted the fashion industry, while the power of taming wild animals have made them the victims of the entertainment field. Whenever mankind has used these animals for such benefits, it has caused huge amount of trauma and harm to these life forms. When such animals are tortured for entertainment and slaughtered for food, it is clearly treated as animal cruelty. Animals could be ill-treated by complete negligence or could be intentionally harmed. These two forms are passive and active cruelty, which leave many animals traumatized. Many animal abuse cases go unreported, which acts as a hindrance in taking action against such a problem. It is essential to understand that the animals are a crucial part of the ecosystem and bringing them down will ultimately bring an end to the life on Earth. However, statistics will help us better understand the intensity and severity of the problem. Cruelty against animals. Animals are used for many purposes and the most common streams in which they are exploited are entertainment, research and fashion. Statistics in the US show that 32.4% animals are neglected, 11.6% are shot dead, 11.5% die through choking or suffocation, 9.3% die of poisoning and fighting, 7% are beaten up or face theft, 5.6% are tortured, 2.4% are hunted or thrown away, 2.3% are stabbed, 2.2% are suffer from burning or drown, 1.9% burn due to caustic substance, 1.8% die from fighting, 1.4% unlawful trade. The animal abuse statistics show us the number of animals that fall prey to cruelty. Animals for entertainment. Elephants, tigers, bears, monkeys are kept captive for years and suffer from brutal training sessions. It is true that animals do not voluntarily perform these activities, but they still do it to protect themselves from further torture. To make the animals obey to the commands and showcase some of the tricks, the most severe training sessions are planned. Eventually, animal surrenders and obeys the master. Animals are threatened by whips, muzzles, electric pods, which cause agonizing pain. People for the ethical treatment of animals, PETA, have exposed the miserable lives of circus animals. They have reported that tools such as bullhooks and electric pods are used to beat the elephants, while heavy chains are used around the neck of the wild cats. The bears and tigers are beaten and whacked by sticks and poles. Constant traveling forces the animals to stay in trailers or trucks for a long period of time. Even though the animals earn them good amount of money, the humans do not bother to even care to keep these poor living things in better conditions. They are made to suffer and survive even in extreme weather conditions, which ultimately takes a toll on the health of the animals. As per PETA, Barnum and Bailey Circus and Ringling Bros. Take 11 tours in a year and keep the elephants chained for 26 hours or even up to 100 hours. Even the cage for the wild cats provide less room to move around. Sometimes two tigers or lions are placed in one cage, which restricts the movement of these animals. One of the shocking incidences revealed by PETA is that a young lion called Sild, while traveling in July 2004, suffered a miserable death due to heat stroke and dehydration. Out of threat and rage, many animals have tried escaping the miserable life which has landed them in death. As these animals take flight, they also pose threat to the community around them, which is why they get shot or given heavy doses of tranquilizers. Animal testing, the cosmetic products and many other personal products are first tested on animals such as rats, mice, dogs, cats, frogs, monkeys, and many more. PETA conveys that US laboratories use such animals for chemical, drug, and cosmetic testing who suffer from excruciating pain. These mute animals, excluding the pain of such experiments, suffer more agonizing death. They are many times kept isolated, face, skin burns, broken spinal cord, or experience the pain when a hole is drilled into their skull. In many cases, the products that are tested on animals might not even prove effective for humans. As stated by The Independent, a British newspaper, the HIV vaccines tested on monkeys do not work on humans. Though many drugs tested on animals prove ineffective, they still face the pain and trauma of research. Animals used for fashion, the fashion industry craves for the possession of the beautiful coat and enchanting patterns of the animals. Most prone victims of fashion is the cat family, dogs, and rabbits. These animals are killed for obtaining fur, which are sold at high prices in the market. Many innocent animals die or face great amount of torment just for the sake of adding some glamour to the designer collection. Like fur, even leather is one of the prime and expensive commodity that is sold on a large scale. The leather industry is gaining profits by slaughtering cows, pigs, sheep, alligators, dogs, and cats. Leather products have been into fashion for many years. With time, the designers began experimenting more with the materials and caused great harm to the animals. PETA, from its investigation, found that the cows' tails are cut and chili peppers are spread into their eyes to get them to the slaughterhouse. Also, in US, animals are killed by brutal ways to obtain their skin and make some luxury items from it. Obtaining leather brings painful death to animals. The people benefiting through this are the ones who trade this commodity. However, these man-made commodities not only cause harm to the animals but our environment too. Animal fighting, bullfighting, is among the most popular forms of animal cruelty. No matter how gripping the sport looks, the bulls face the torment and bleed to death. This is due to utter disregard that the mankind shows towards such animals. This deadly sport comes with an ugly reality. It not only traumatizes the animals but the people who come to hear about it. The bull is initially kept on drugs to weaken the animal. Sometimes they are even stabbed in the back before they are let out to fight. The blade continues to penetrate the body, weakening the animal more. It damages the tissues, causing the animal to continuously bleed. Many times, the ears of the bull are cut off as reward while the animal is alive. Along with bullfights, other animals too are induced into such deadly sports, costing their lives. Dogfight and cockfight are other well-known sports that humans enjoy. Animals are subjected to slaughter in a way that gives them a painful death. In certain communities, the practice of ritual slaughter prevails. Practices like these that torture animals and kill them must come to an end. Animal cruelty facts and statistics are alarming. It is time to wake up and take steps to protect the lives of innocent animals.